Luxury German watchmaking usually comes with a five-figure price tag, but this limited edition from Glashutte is rewriting the rules of Saxon accessibility. This is the Union Glashütte 1893 Johannes Dürrstein Anniversary Edition Small Second. Released to commemorate the 180th birthday of the brand's founder, this timepiece embodies Dürrstein's original 19th-century vision: to create watches that possess everything necessary for precision and beauty without the unnecessary costs of high-tier luxury marketing. While the 1893 collection is a staple for the brand, this anniversary edition matters because it's limited to just 99 pieces, offering a level of exclusivity rarely seen at this price point. The 34mm case is crafted from 316L stainless steel, featuring softly rounded contours that pay homage to the pocket watches of the Dürrstein era. Despite its compact diameter, the watch feels substantial and refined, topped with a domed sapphire crystal treated with anti-reflective coating on both sides. The dial is a masterclass in texture and tone. It features a unique taupe-colored background with a fine-grained finish that transitions into a matte, sandblasted center. A polished silver ring provides a sophisticated boundary between the main dial and the subsidiary seconds at 6 p.m. The heat-blued hands are a hallmark of Glashutte tradition, providing a vibrant pop of color against the understated taupe surface. It is paired with a black calfskin leather strap and a double-folding clasp that feels secure and premium. Inside is the automatic caliber U28952, based on a dependable ETA architecture but finished to Union's exacting standards. You'll find Glashutte-style decorations through the sapphire caseback, including perlage, blued screws, and Glashutte stripes on the rotor. It provides a 42-hour power reserve and includes a stop-seconds mechanism for precise time setting. For a watch this slender, measuring under 10 millimeters thick, the inclusion of a date window at 6 p.m. adds a level of daily practicality without disrupting the dial's symmetry. On the wrist, the 34mm small second is the definition of understated elegance. While marketed toward those with smaller wrists, its long lugs and historical proportions give it a gender-neutral golden-era appeal. At €1,780, the value proposition is staggering. To find a 99-piece limited edition with genuine German pedigree and this level of dial finishing under €2,000 is nearly unheard of in today's market. The Union Glashütte 1893 Anniversary Edition is for the collector who appreciates the quiet confidence of German engineering. It's a rare, numbered tribute to a horological visionary. If you want Saxon craftsmanship without the Glashutte tax, this is the piece to secure.